Hi homie, this is Sogan. Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to teach you how to crochet Irish crochet lace flower applique. So let's see together. Start the slip knot and chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insert your hook in first chain, then make a slip stitch, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, make 2 double crochets. This is my 1 and 2. Chain 1, make 2 double crochets. This is my 1 and 2. Chain 1, make 2 double crochets. 1 and 2. Chain 1, make 2 double crochets. 1 and 2. Chain 1, make 2 double crochets. This is my 1 and 2. Chain 1, make 2 double crochets. 1 and 2. Chain 1, make 2 double crochets. 1 and 2. Chain 1 at the end, make a double crochet, make a slip stitch, insert chain, make a slip stitch in this space, chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains, make a double crochet in same space, chain 1, skip 2 stitches, insert your hook in next space, then make a double crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3 chains, make a double crochet again, same space, chain 1, skip 2 stitches, insert your hook in next space, then make a double crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3 chains, make a double crochet again in same space, chain 1, skip 2 stitches and repeat. At the end, make a slip stitch, insert chain. Make a slip stitch in next space, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains, make a double crochet in this space, chain 2, 1 and 2, make a single crochet in next space, chain 2, 1 and 2, Make a double crochet in the space of 3 chains, chain 2, make a double crochet in same space, chain 2, make a single crochet in next space, chain 2. Keep repeating. At the end, chain 2, then make a slip stitch in third chain. Make a slip stitch in this space, chain 3, make 2 double crochets in same space, chain 1, make 3 double crochets in same space. This is my 1, 2, and 3. Chain 2, skip first double crochet, make a single crochet in single crochet, chain 2, 1 and 2. Skip next double crochet, make 3 double crochets in next space. This is my 1, 2, and 3. Chain 1, make 3 double crochets again in same space, 1, 2, and 3. Chain 2, skip first double crochet, insert your hook in single crochet to make a single crochet, chain 2, skip first double crochet, insert your hook in this space and make 3 double crochets in same space, 1, 2, and 3. Chain 1, make 3 double crochets again. This is my 1 and 2, and 3. Chain 2, skip first double crochet, insert your hook in the single crochet, make a single crochet in single crochet, chain 2, keep repeating. At the end of the round, make a slip stitch in third chain, chain 1, cut the yarn off, then hide your yarn. Thank you for watching my video and for your time. I appreciate your feedback. Like and subscribe for more video tutorials. Bye!